If you want to install Gmail on your Windows 11 system, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you all the steps you need to know to get it done. So let's get into it. So the two ways of doing this, if you're using Google Chrome as your web browser, you're going to go up to the top right hand side and you'll find the Gmail button. You're going to tap on that and you'll open your Gmail account. Now the steps from here are going up to the top right hand side, hitting those three dots and looking for one of two things. You're either going to find the option in more tools, or you're going to find a save and share option. And from here you'll have a create shortcut, and once you create the shortcut, it will be a shortcut created on your desktop. It'll look like an application. Now the other way of doing this, if you are perhaps using Microsoft Edge as your default browser, I've got my Gmail account open here. You're going to go up to the top right hand side, you'll see the three dots, and you're going to come down to apps. And from here, you're going to click on install this site as an app. And you'll have some options to either pin it to your taskbar, to your desktop. And you can open it directly from there without having to open the browser and then opening your Gmail account. If this was helpful, go ahead, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Peace.